Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this simple model. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's open a part first. Click on the part and go for the OK. So now we can see here the by default unit is mm/second. So just let's keep it like this. I will select here top plane and go for the sketch. Take line. I'll take here line like this and just draw a sketch which is like this. Now go for the dimension, close this. Now go for the dimension here, give the dimension of this line which is 125. In similar way we can give the relation this and this line, we can give the relation which is equal. Now I need to give the dimension between this and this line. Angle is 120 degree. Now see here, this line is not getting fully defined only because of we need to give here one more dimension from here to here which is 120 degree like this. Now I will go for the midpoint line here and I will start like this and go for the dimension and give the dimension of this line which is 75. So let me give here the dimension which is 75. Now in the same way we can give here also one more dimensions, and here I will just draw one line like this. Go for the dimension and give the dimension for this line which is having the aligned dimension which is 25. In the same way, I will just go for the midpoint line here. Click on this like this. I'll give here dimension for this which is 75. Here actually I'll just delete this. Here we need to give the dimension, aligned dimension we need to give like this which is 75. Now I will be giving here one relation, this and this having the relation perpendicular, and just go with the OK. In the same way I will take line here and I will draw a line like this. Give the dimension of that line which is 25. Now go for the arc here. I'll just click on this 3-point arc. I'm going to select here, this is the first point and this is the second point, and just like this I'll give the relation here, this and this is tangent. Now you can see this is getting fully defined. So now we will go for the mirror. So I'll select this and this and click on the mirror command, mirror, and I want to do the mirror about this. In the similar way I will select this and this. I'll go for the mirror here. I want to do the mirror about this and just go with the OK. Now click on the line and just make a close sketch from here to like this. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. So come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. Now I will choose here mid plane and give the extruded height which is 50. So I'll give here extruded height which is 50 and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now we need to go for the fillet command. Click on the fillet Now we can see here we have the first one, which is constant size fillet. So I will click on the constant size fillet and I will select all these edges, this edge here, this edge, this edge. Similarly in other side, this and this. Now we need to give the fillet radius, which is 10. So you can see it's 10 is already there, and just go with the OK. Now we need to go for the command here called shell. So click on the shell, select this face, select this face, select this face, and you can see in the show preview, and I'll be giving here the shell thickness, which is 2 mm. So I'll just give their value 2 and just go with the OK. Now if you want, you can change the background. I will change your background. So guys, now you can see your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.